Want to play PUBG on your PC? The good news is, in 2025, the original game is now free to play on PC. Here's how you can download it and get into game fast. First, you'll need a Steam client. This is the platform where you'll get the game. If you don't have it, go to the official Steam website, download the installer, and create a free account. Once it's installed, open the Steam app and log in. In the Steam app, go to the storage page. In the search bar at the top, type PUBG. The game titled PUBG Battlegrounds will appear in the results. Click on it to go to its store page. On the game store page, click the green Play Game button. A window will pop up to confirm the installation. Just click install and the game will begin downloading on your PC. Make sure you have at least 40 gigabytes of free space. Once the download is complete, the Play Game button will be ready and you can jump right into the Battlegrounds.